Sriram. Today, I am going to demonstrate my project titled AI Powered Debt Ceiling and Financial Recovery. The objective of this project is to help borrowers who are facing financial difficulties by using artificial intelligence. Our system analyzes the user's financial information and provides personalized settlement recommendations, financial recovery plans, and AI-generated negotiation letters. Now I will explain each phase of this project. This project is organized according to the complete software development life cycle. This contains all the phases starting from the idea generation to project demonstration. It includes phases like brainstorming and ideation, requirement analysis, project design phase, project planning phase, project development phase, and project testing, project documentation, project demonstration. Now let me explain each step thoroughly. Phase 1. Brainstorming and ideation. Before starting the development of the project, we first identify the real world problem instead. Many people experience financial stress because of multiple loans, credit card debt, and unexpected expenses. Most borrowers do not know how to negotiate with the lenders or determine an appropriate amount. To understand users better, we created empathy maps and problem statements. Based on these observations, we proposed an AI financial recovery platform that helps borrowers make better financial decisions. This is helped us clearly understand the user's pain point before designing the system. Phase number two, requirement analysis. Here we analyze both functional and non-functional requirements. The functional requirement includes user registration, secure, login, financial profile, loan management, settlement production, and AI-driven asset data generation. The non-functional requirements include security, scalability, performance, and usability. In this case, we use technologies like to frontend, React.js, to backend, Fast API, programming language Python, database SQL with the SQL Alchemy, artificial intelligence, Google Gemini AI. These technologies together provide fast, secure, and intelligent web application. So phase number three, we have project design phase. This phase requires the system is designed before implementation. Product follows a client server architecture. The project we use it for frontend we use it React.js, collects user information. The first API backend processes the request. The database stores user and loan information securely. The AI engine generates personalized financial recommendations and negotiation letters. This phase also includes workflow diagrams, architecture diagrams, system design explaining how data moves through the application. Phase number four, project planning phase. This phase explains how the project was planned. The work was divided into different milestones. Milestone number one. The first milestone was project setup. Second milestone focused on database design. Third milestone implemented authentication. Fourth milestone developed the financial calculation engine. Fifth milestone integrated artificial intelligence. Sixth milestone completed the front-end development. Finally, testing, documentation, and deployment were completed. Planning the project into milestones helped us complete the project in an organized manner. Phase number five, project development phase. Here we have both backend and front-end source code. I will explain each part separately. Backend. Backend is developed by using Fast API. It handles user authentication, financial calculations, AI process, data communication, and database operations. It acts as the the brain of the entire application. So firstly, main.py. This is the main entry point of the backend. It initiates the fast API application, configures the CORS so the front-end can communicate with the backend. It creates database tables automatically. It also registers all the endpoints web application. Next is authentication.py. This file manages authentication. Which securely hashes user passwords using VPN. It also generates JWT tokens for the successful login. It ensures secure access to the user accounts. Next is database.py. This file establishes the database connection. It creates database sessions and connects application to SQLite using SQL Alchemy ORM. Next is models.py. This file defines all database tables. The application stores users, financial profiles, loans, settlement records, and AI history. These models maintain the relationship with the different types of data. Next is schemas.py. Schemas validate user input, storing it in the database. So this prevents invalid data from entering the system and improves application reliability. Next is configuration.py. This file stores application configuration settings such as API keys and environment variables. Keeping configuration separate improves security and maintainability. Next is financial engine.py. This is the core module of the project. The financial engine analyzes the user's financial condition. It calculates important values such as debt to income ratio, monthly surplus, EMI burden, and financial stress level. Using these calculations, the system predicts suitable settlement options and repayment recommendations. This module forms the core decision-making component of this application. So next is Gemini Service.py. This module integrates Google Gemini AI. It generates financial hardship letters and negotiation strategies based on the user financial condition. So the Gemini API is unavailable. The system automatically switches to a rule-based fallback, ensuring uninterrupted functionality. Next up is requirements.txt. This file contains all Python libraries required to run a backend, making installation simple, consistent across different systems. The backend also includes a unit test for the financial engine. These tests verify that financial calculations produce accurate and reliable results. Coming to the front end is developed by using React.js. It provides an interactive and user-friendly interface. Users can register, log in, enter financial information, manage loan details, credit settlements, generate AI hardship letters, and view history. So, the project also includes several pages such as login, register, dashboard, settlement register, data generator, and the history. Each page performs specific task while communicating with the backend through REST APIs. Deployment files. This project also contains deployment files such as vendor configuration and vendor configuration. These files allow applications to be deployed easily on the cloud platforms. So next is phase number 6, project testing. Testing ensures every module works correctly. Different testing methods were performed to verify authentication, financial calculations, AI responses, front-end functionality, and back-end APIs. These help to identify and fix errors before the deployment of the project. Next is phase number 7, Documentation. This section contains detailed documentation explaining project objectives, architecture, implementation, technologies, workflow, and user guidance. Proper documentation makes the project easier to understand and maintain. Next is phase number 8, project demonstration. Finally, this is the um, project demonstration phase. This phase contains demonstration material that explains how the project works from beginning to the end. It showcases the application's features and overall workflow for evaluation purposes. To conclude, the AI-powered web release and financial recovery project combines artificial intelligence, Fast API, React.js, SQL Alchemy, SQLite, and Gemini AI to provide intelligent financial analysis and personalizes debt recovery systems. The system offers sector authentication, financial calculation, settlement prediction, generated negotiation letters, and an easy-to-use user interface. This further demonstrates how artificial intelligence can be used to simplify financial decision making and support borrowers in achieving better financial recovery. Thank you.